Hi friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw a gingerbread man together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the outline starting with a circle for the head without closing it at the bottom. Draw the first arm with a diagonal line, a semicircle, and another diagonal line. Now draw the body and leg with a diagonal line, a semicircle, and a diagonal line. Do the same thing for the other leg and the second arm. Wow! Our design is taking shape! Draw 2 circles for each eye. Draw a horizontal line and a semicircle for the mouth. Draw 3 small circles in the central part of the body. Now draw the edge of the mouth following the shape you have already traced. Draw 2 zigzag lines at the ends of the arms and legs, like I do. Now draw the head, first its base with a small diagonal line, a semicircle, and another diagonal line. Draw a semicircle for the top of the head, and a small curved lines for the bottom. Draw a circle for the pom-pom. Wow! Our gingerbread man turned out really well! Good job! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the pupils of the eyes. Use brown for the face and body. Color the head with red. Use green for the first circle, blue for the second one, use purple for the third circle, and use yellow for the mouth and the zigzag lines. Wow! Our gingerbread man is ready for a cheerful Christmas celebration! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!